Falafel is one of the most popular vegetarian delights out there. These little flavor bombs have that addictive quality, especially when they crackle under your teeth. And they're super easy to make. So, enough talking. Let's do this. The day before, soak about 250 grams of dried chickpeas in cold water. After at least 12 hours, or once the legumes have doubled in size, drain them and give them a thorough rinse under cold running water. Let the chickpeas rest in a strainer so any excess water can drip off and the legumes can dry out a bit. Meanwhile, prepare 1 medium-sized onion and 3 cloves of garlic. Toss it all into a food processor. If you have a small one like I do, work in batches, but I'll give the measurements for 1 full batch. Add 1 teaspoon each of cumin, coriander, dried paprika, salt, and pepper, plus half a teaspoon of baking soda. Finish with the drained chickpeas and a generous handful of fresh parsley. Blitz until the mixture is well combined, making sure there are no big chunks left and the mixture is slightly sticky. If you don't have a food processor, you can use a meat grinder first and then finish with a hand blender. From this mixture, shape bite-sized balls. Not too big, not too tiny, just right. The mixture will be slightly sticky, so work quickly to prevent it from falling apart. Drop the formed balls into oil preheated to 170 degrees Celsius, 338 degrees Fahrenheit, and fry for about 2 to 3 minutes until golden and crisp. While your falafels are frying, whip up the dip. In a bowl, combine 300 grams of Greek yogurt, a pinch of freshly ground pepper, 1 clove of garlic, the zest of 1 lemon, and the juice of half a lemon. If you'd like an extra kick of freshness, toss in some freshly chopped mint. Stir it all together and set aside to let the flavors meld. For an easy mini salad, chop a cucumber, a red bell pepper, a red onion, a tomato, and some feta cheese into relatively large pieces. Toss it all together with a drizzle of olive oil and a pinch of salt and pepper. When everything's ready, place the bowl of yogurt dip in the center of a plate. Then arrange your falafels and salad around it. You can also add a few slices of pita or tortilla if you like. And here it is, the falafel in all its glory. Now you can sink your teeth into its crisp shell and experience the explosion of savory flavors within. Let me know in the comments which additions you use when making your falafel. That's it for today, folks. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, drop a comment, and I'll see you next time. Bye.